Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Jay. I thought I'd put out a quick little video since I haven't been able to upload due to midterms. I recently purchased a demonized kit for the Mustang and it has finally arrived. It comes with a sticker, a fuse tab so I don't need to do any wiring, and the LEDs themselves. So fast forward a bit, and I apologize that the car is pretty dirty. I haven't had a chance to clean it up. I had to remove the front bumper. This is the only way to remove the headlights on a 2005 and up Mustang. I don't know about the older generations. I would love to learn, so if any of you guys know, please comment down below. Okay, so basically I need to make a small hole in the back of the cap, just big enough to feed the LEDs through, and then use the 3M tape provided on the back of the LEDs to stick the light inside the housing behind the projector. I now rerouted the wiring and I tapped into the fuse for the heated seats and also attached the ground. So the next clip you see will be the end product. Alright, so now that everything's back together, I downloaded the app that works with this kit, and I have to say, these lights look so good. Hopefully they continue to work for a long time to come. And that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I know it was very short, and if you did like it, please click subscribe and hit the like button. Alright, peace.